Hi, how are you? I hope you are good. Wake up. So, I am back again once more time and welcome back to my channel, to my small channel. Okay, that's fine. And today I have one more cue card, and this is again from the same Mugword's latest book. So, first we will discuss this cue card and then we will talk about it and then I will show you something. Okay, and the cue card is describe something important that has been kept in your family for a long time. You should say what it is, when your family had it, how your family got it, and why it is important for your family. I found this cue card very interesting, and I thought of different items to talk about, but finally I came to this single item that I will talk just in a minute. And before I talk further, first I should talk on this cue card and then we will talk more. As I have done some preparation in advance, so I can start now. There are a number of old articles or items that belong to my parents and great grandparents. The items include a range of brass and silver utensils, some articles of furniture, especially a very old wooden study table, and some other artifacts as well. But here on this occasion, I would love to talk about a jewelry set which my great grandmother had received from a noble family where she used to work as a nanny. My great grandmother was very sincere and hardworking in her work, and seeing her sincerity, the wife of the nobleman decided to give my great grandmother her personal jewelry set, which my great grandmother kept and liked very much. And since then, it passed from generation to generation in our family. Now it belongs to my mother, and she wears it on some wedding occasions, ceremonies, and other anniversaries. This jewelry set contains a, an elegant necklace, gold necklace, and there is a ring as well. And it also has a set of earrings and nose studs. This set, jewelry set, is very interesting because it also has colorful rubies and gemstones. So it means that it can be worn with any dressing style, whether traditional or western. This jewelry set is very important in our family as it constantly reminds us of our great grandmother and especially her efforts and sincerity, and it also binds us in a very special way, and it reinforces our relationship in our family. So I think this is the item that has been kept in our family for a long period of time. Okay, I hope, I don't know how I performed, but I tried. Actually, there were so many things that I wanted to talk about, but maybe I missed it. But that's fine. I will try this cue card some other time if it's not good. And yeah, I will try more cue cards as it is Saturday and tomorrow it's Sunday, so I have some time to deliver as many cue cards as possible. Actually, last week I couldn't practice or deliver a single cue card because of my work, and I think this was a bad move. I should try to present a cue card every day because I will be able to cover all the cue cards in this way. Otherwise, I will lag behind, and that won't work. And yeah, I will talk about a cue card every day. I should turn it into a resolution if it were in my power, but I will try my best. And I wanted to show you this book as well. That is the IELTS, and this is especially for general training students. And this is a very small, as you can see, just a number of pages, and there is not much content. As you can see, so much blank space is at the bottom. So the point is not that you have to finish this book sooner. The point is that you have to read it as slowly as possible, maybe a page or two pages at a time, so that you can grasp the content and skills mentioned in this book. Otherwise, it will be a monotonous reading for you, which I don't want you to have this experience. Like, I can show you, just one text, like this thing. This is tips for the listening test. So I will read some portion of it. In general, the listening test is probably the one people get most scared of, obviously, because you need 8 bands in listening, and in other modules, you just need 7 bands for general training students. To help yourself overcome that fear, start watching TV programs in English. These are better than radio or audiobooks because you also see images that help you understand the words you hear. It's very interesting point, because when you listen to something and side by side you see an image or a picture or a video, the content you can grasp easily, because you can see the body language as well, and the tone as well, and the intonation and cadence and other such factors, which helps you to understand the things more easily. So this tip is very important, and in my opinion, if I would uh, have the what should I say, if I have the power, I don't know, if it's in my power, no, if it's in my ability to recommend you, then do watch British TV shows only, because in listening test you will listen to British English. So if you are already listening to British English, then definitely there are high chances that you will achieve the benchmark score. And this is for speaking for IELTS. So there will be so many tips. I will just go through these books first, and then I will talk about it, and then I can suggest you some more crucial tips rather than just superficial tips. And yeah, I guess this is enough for this video, and I will be back with one more cue card. And if I couldn't deliver this cue card efficiently, then please forgive me. I will try my best in my next attempt. Have a nice time. Take care. Oh, just see the view, because it's a sunny day here in this place. It's very nice. Okay, take care. Bye bye.